Hi everyone! I'm here now at HOF at ito ang business ko. As kung nakikita nyo po, meron tayong Ocha, Noodle House, Siopaw the King, Boy Bondat, the Tok Tok, the delivery service, Potato King, Coffee But Better, and Siomai. Tour ko kayo dito sa loob ng ating office. Okay, so we have here the Noodle House. Yan. The Anli sauce. Okay. Next, meron tayong Boy Bondat. Okay, so lahat ng Filipino food, dyan. The siopaw, okay. Also here, we have here the new Siomai King food cart. Okay. Kung makikita mo dito, we have the gulaman, okay, the Japanese siomai, Hong Kong siomai, Shanghai, the chicken, and the corny chicken siomai. Yan yung pinakabago. Yan, and awarded, of course, tayo nito. Okay? And then we also have our new milk tea, Ocha franchise. Yan. So, very affordable at masarap ang milk tea natin dyan. Very unique ang container. So, we also have this collection, collectible items na makukuha nyo. Okay? And the next one is the Potato King. So, sa mga maihilig dyan sa mga French fries, this is for you. Okay? So, if you like coffee, business, coffee but better. Okay? Yan ang mga different kind of coffee business na gusto nyo. This is the example. Okay? Here. Yan. As you can see, meron tayong menu. Yan ang mga prices ng ating coffee. Okay. Ayan. So, if you are planning to have your own business, the food cart, milk tea, or coffee businessman yan, just contact me and I will guide you. See you in my inbox. God bless.